Would you like to study in Australia? There are many scholarships, grants, and bursaries which can help you support you financially with your studies in Australia. They are offered by the Australian government, education providers, and a number of other public and private organizations. I bring to you this one stop website where you can see all available scholarships offered by the Australian government. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome back to the channel. Click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified on new videos. This is the website of the Australian government, which is the studyaustralia.gov. I would link this in the description box so that you can have access to it much later. But let me walk you through this website. This is a very important website to know if you want to study in Australia, because here you would see everything about Australia, the facts about it, the reason why you should study, what class education. You would also see stuff for scholarships, schools, universities, English courses, basically everything. If you want to live there, you will see things about the accommodation, health insurances, student support, visa, about work taxation. So a lot of things are embedded in this website. But for the sake of time, I wouldn't want to concentrate more on so many things. I'm going to be showing us, which is the most important thing in this video, about scholarships that are available in Australia because we want to study in Australia, and these scholarships are available to all international students. So when I scroll down, you can already see there are a lot of scholarships. The major scholarships that are available is the first one, the Australian Award Scholarship. This scholarship I already talked about it in one of my videos. If you have not seen that video, I'm going to link it up here. So please do well to check it out. And the second one is the Destination Australia. Third is the Australian Government Research Training Program. And the fourth is the Provider Scholarships. And we also have scholarship and financial aid for the US citizens or those living in the US. So they also have financial aid, scholarship and financial aid. So if you are a US citizen, please do well to also check this out. This is a very good opportunity by the Australian government. So for I will just click one of these to show us what I mean about the scholarship. So once I clicked on it, it brought me to this site, Destination Australia. So this is where you see about the program. So please do take your time and read it. And what I want to just point out here is that for an international student, you need to have a valid student visa, accept you need to have a full-time study offer program registered on CRICOS. So for you to be able to have access to this scholarship, you need to apply to one of the universities that offer this particular scholarship. And how do you apply to this Destination Australian program? You need to view the successful providers for this award. So when you click on this, it brings you to this place where you see Destination Australian 2023, the list of successful providers. So these are the providers of the scholarship. So this means that you need to apply to any of these universities. So you need to apply to any of these universities. These are the providers. So these are the states in Australia, and they have about 27 providers, so 27 universities offering this particular award. So University of Sydney, University of New England, Charleston University, and so on. And you would see here that it says type of scholarship, domestic and international, and the type of number of scholarships. So I would encourage you to concentrate on the ones that have domestic and international because you're an international student. So you look out for a course that this university is offering. And how do you search for the courses? You search for courses by clicking on this course. Please do well to check my first video. I'm going to link it here where I explain how to search for a course using this course because this is very important. Just quickly show us what I mean by searching for agriculture. Once I search for agriculture, it's going to bring me a list of universities that offer this program. So here you're going to take your time to, okay, for example, I can already see Charleston. So, and now you're going to just click on this one that has what we are looking for. And this is what is important to have the CRICOS code. So this is what you'll be needing when you are filling your form. And not just that, you also need this CRICOS provider code for the institution. So this is what they use to identify the codes in Australia, the universities in Australia. So so please do well to check this one out if it's something that you are really interested in. Please, by all means, go through each of these awards and click on any of them and find out more information about them and the one that best speaks to you. So coming back on this Study Australia website, another thing I would like to also point out is that if you don't want to go through that process to search for your scholarship, there's another way you can also search for scholarship again on this website. And this is by coming to this point where they say scholarships, and you can search by your nationality or by field or by your level of study so that you search for the one that is directly related to you. So for example, I'm going to select I'm a Ghanaian and I leave every other one. Oh, okay, this is very important. I select undergraduate as a level. So here I'm going to select undergraduate and then select I'm a Ghanaian. So when I hit search, you can already see there's a lot of results that came up with this search of being a Ghanaian and undergraduate program. You can see the university, the name of the scholarship, and then the level of study, which is undergraduate and postgraduate. So the scholarship value is 20% tuition fee reduction. So this is already telling you what this scholarship is about. So if this is not appealing to you, you can, and it says all eligible students. And you can also see that here it says for this one, no application is required. For further information, please contact the university website. And here it says the scholarship value is 10%. So there are basically so many things you can get from this website. So take your time, go through it, and maybe you look for the ones that has scholarship value that is a bit high. For example, this is having 50,000 Australian dollars as a total value of scholarship, and the available awards will be 31. So this is already good. And if you want to view, you can click on this place to view additional scholarships that are available by this that are offered by this Monash University. And when I click on this link, it brings me to this place. So you can see here it says scholarship search results for Monash University. You can see that it has for pharmacy international undergraduate merit scholarship, and the value is 100,000 Australian dollar, and this the level is for undergraduates and postgraduates, and it says no application is required. All eligible students who apply for an undergraduate course at Monash will be automatically assessed. The scholarship cannot be deferred. So this is really a good opportunity and a very good website where you can take your time, then you can explore on each of these awards and get more information about them and see the closing and opening dates. Like for example, here it says this is open from 17 January to 4th March. Apply directly to Monash. And if you for any reason have need to inquire about the scholarship, you can just click on this link and it brings you directly to where you would put your info, to where you put your details, and you would ask your question directly to the university, drop your message here, and you hit send email. So when they get this, they're going to respond to you so that you get the first-hand information. So this I find it very, very resourceful and wanted to share it with us. I encourage you to explore this website. It has so many scholarships that are known and unknown. And one thing about it is that you don't know there are some scholarships that are not they are not well known, and you could apply to it and you would be selected. And you could also search by courses, by institution, and yeah, so whichever way you deem fit, but I felt scholarship was the most important for all of us. So that was why I searched by scholarship. So out of curiosity, because some of my subscribers have requested for undergraduates and they are Indians, So I would like to also search for undergraduate that is that is for an Indian. And when I hit search, there are still a lot of scholarship offer for Indians. So if you're an Indian, um, and you want to take good opportunity of these scholarships, there are a whole lot of scholarship that I cannot even imagine to talk about. So this is why I said I'm going to do a video to bring us this website and show us how to explore this wonderful opportunity. So I think this is pretty much all I want to share with you in this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concern, and I will try my best to respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.